What if I told you that you could grow your own fresh herbs 365 days a year, no matter where you live, no matter the season, and with almost zero gardening experience? Sounds too good to be true? That's what most people think, until they try it. The truth is, there are herbs so forgiving, so resilient, and so fast-growing that they practically ask to be used in your kitchen. But here's the catch: not all herbs are created equal. Some are fussy, some bolt too quickly, and others just refuse to grow indoors. So which ones are the easiest to grow year-round, even if you're short on space or sunlight? Let's count them down, from the ones you might expect to a few hidden gems that'll surprise you. Parsley might seem like just a garnish, but it's far more than decoration. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and K, adds a clean, slightly peppery brightness to everything from soups to smoothies, and best of all, it's shockingly easy to grow all year long, indoors or out. Flat-leaf Italian parsley is the best choice for culinary use, while curly parsley makes a stunning edible houseplant. What makes parsley stand out as a year-round herb is its patience. It grows steadily, doesn't bolt easily in indoor environments, and can thrive on a sunny windowsill or under basic grow lights. All it asks for is a deep pot. It has long tap roots, consistently moist soil, and at least 4 to 6 hours of light per day. The trick to harvesting it without weakening the plant? Always cut the outer stems from the base, leaving the central growth untouched. And here's a little bonus. Parsley isn't just for your plate, it's a gentle detoxifier and can even freshen your breath. So the next time you consider tossing that sprig aside, remember, this herb pulls more weight than you think. Mint is practically the superhero of herbs, vigorous, adaptable, and nearly impossible to kill. Want something that thrives indoors and outdoors, bounces back after neglect, and smells like a fresh breeze in a cup? That's mint. Whether you prefer spearmint for your smoothies, peppermint for your tea, or chocolate mint for dessert vibes, this herb grows aggressively in almost any container. In fact, its only downside is how fast it spreads, which is why growing it in pots is perfect. Indoors, it'll flourish with just 3 to 4 hours of sunlight or a simple grow light setup. It loves slightly moist soil and regular harvesting. The more you snip, the bushier and healthier it gets. And here's the best part. Mint doesn't demand perfect conditions. Even in low humidity or slightly cooler environments, it keeps producing. Beyond the kitchen, mint has calming properties, can soothe digestion, and even works as a natural pest repellent when crushed and rubbed on the skin. So whether you're flavoring water, making a mojito, or clearing your sinuses, mint is the herb that keeps on giving, with hardly any fuss. Chives are one of those herbs that make you feel like a gardening pro, even if you've never grown anything in your life. Why? Because they're unbelievably forgiving, and bounce back again and again with just a little care. These slender green stalks pack a mild onion-garlic flavor that can instantly elevate eggs, soups, potatoes, dips, and more. What makes chives perfect for year-round growing is their compact root system and minimal light requirements. A small pot on a sunny kitchen counter or a basic grow light setup is all they need to flourish. Unlike other herbs, they don't mind cooler indoor temperature, and they keep producing leaves long after other herbs have slowed down. Snip them with scissors about an inch above the base, and they'll regrow, like clockwork. You can get multiple harvests every month from just one plant. And let's not forget the edible purple flowers they produce in spring and summer. They're not only beautiful, but also a pollinator magnet if you ever move them outdoors. Low effort, big reward, and always fresh when you need a burst of flavor. Chives are the silent MVP of the herb world. If your kitchen ever craves the soul of Italian or Greek cooking, oregano is your go-to herb, and thankfully it's one of the easiest to grow year-round with very little fuss. Native to the Mediterranean, oregano is naturally adapted to dry, rocky soils and full sun. That means it thrives in containers, doesn't mind being a little forgotten, and practically lives for being trimmed often. The flavor of oregano is bold, earthy, and slightly peppery, making it perfect for pizzas, pastas, salad dressings, and marinades. And when grown indoors, it doesn't just add flavor, it perfumes your kitchen with a savory scent that's hard to beat. To keep it healthy, give it about 6 to 8 hours of light a day. A south-facing window or grow light works great. Let the soil dry slightly between waterings, and trim it frequently to encourage bushy growth. In fact, the more you harvest, the more flavorful and compact it becomes. What makes oregano especially impressive? It holds its flavor well when dried. So even if you prune a big batch, you can hang it upside down and save it for months. Fresh or dry, oregano keeps delivering. Thyme might be small in stature, but it's mighty in flavor and incredibly resilient, making it a dream for year-round indoor herb gardening. With its woody stems and tiny fragrant leaves, thyme brings a subtle earthiness and depth to everything from roasted veggies to soups, stews, marinades, and even teas. What makes thyme such an ideal year-round companion is its ability to thrive in small pots, handle dry indoor air, and tolerate a bit of neglect. It loves bright light, at least 6 hours per day, but doesn't need rich soil or frequent watering. In fact, thyme is happiest when its soil dries out slightly between waterings, which makes it perfect for those who forget a watering or two. You can trim thyme regularly without worry. It responds beautifully to light pruning, growing fuller with each cut. And much like oregano, it dries easily and retains its essential oils, so even your clippings won't go to waste. Basil isn't just for summer anymore. With the right setup, you can grow this aromatic favorite year-round and enjoy its sweet, spicy scent every time you brush past it. Known for its starring role in pesto, pasta sauces, and caprese salads, basil also makes an incredible herbal tea and adds instant vibrancy to dozens of dishes. Now here's what makes basil special. It grows fast. From seed to first harvest, you could be snipping leaves within a month. It thrives in warm conditions, so if you're growing it indoors during cooler seasons, make sure it gets at least 6 hours of bright light per day, preferably from a sunny windowsill or a grow light. Basil loves warmth and humidity, so placing it near your kitchen or using a humidity tray can keep it thriving. But the real trick with basil, keep pinching it. Remove the tips just above a pair of leaves to encourage branching. This will give you a bushier plant with even more leaves to harvest. Don't wait until it flowers. Once it bolts, the flavor turns bitter. Regular harvesting keeps it sweet, lush, and growing strong. Cilantro can be a bit of a wild card. It bolts quickly in the heat, but when grown indoors with controlled conditions, it becomes one of the most rewarding herbs to grow year-round. Its zesty, citrusy flavor is unmatched in salsas, curries, soups, and even smoothies. And the best part? You get 2 herbs in one, fresh cilantro leaves and coriander seeds, if you let it go to seed. What makes cilantro so appealing for indoor gardening is how well it performs in cooler temperature and lower light environments. It doesn't need intense heat to thrive. In fact, it prefers things on the milder side. That makes it ideal for windowsill gardens in fall, winter, or even cooler air-conditioned rooms. The trick to a steady cilantro supply? Succession planting. Sow a small handful of seeds every couple of weeks and you'll have a constant rotation of young, flavorful leaves. Use a deep pot to allow root development and keep the soil lightly moist. And here's something most don't realize: cilantro has powerful detoxifying properties and supports digestion, making it more than just a garnish. It's a vibrant, health-boosting herb that's easier to grow indoors than many people think. Rosemary is more than just a holiday herb. It's a hardy evergreen superstar that can thrive indoors all year if given just a bit of love and light. Its bold, pine-like aroma, peppery undertones, and sturdy, needle-like leaves make it a favorite for roasting, stews, breads, infused oils, and even herbal teas. But here's the real surprise: rosemary isn't nearly as high maintenance as people think. This Mediterranean native loves bright light, ideally 6 to 8 hours of sun or strong grow light exposure and well-draining soil. Once it's established, it's drought-tolerant and prefers to dry out between waterings. In fact, too much water is the most common way rosemary gets into trouble indoors. What really makes rosemary stand out on this list is that it's perennial. It doesn't fade away like many soft-stemmed herbs. With proper pruning, it keeps growing stronger over time and can even be shaped like a tiny bonsai tree for visual interest. And beyond the culinary perks, rosemary has been linked to improved memory, stress reduction, and even better air quality. In short, it's not just one of the easiest herbs to grow year-round, it's one of the most rewarding. Sage is one of those herbs that brings a grounding, earthy richness to dishes. Think roasted root veggies, butter sauces, or savory stuffing. But it also brings resilience to your herb garden. With its soft, silvery green leaves and strong aromatic flavor, sage is not only a culinary staple but a beautifully textured plant that grows incredibly well indoors all year. This hardy perennial thrives in well-draining soil, needs minimal water, and prefers bright, indirect light, making it one of the lowest maintenance herbs you can grow. It doesn't demand constant harvesting or frequent babying, and it resists most pests when kept indoors. As long as you don't overwater and give it around 6 hours of light a day, sage will happily stick around. What's even better? Sage actually gets better with age. As the plant matures, its essential oils deepen, enhancing both flavor and aroma. You can snip off a few leaves at a time and use them fresh, dry them for later, or even steep them into a calming tea. And if you're into herbal wellness, sage is a superstar for its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and mood-lifting properties. It's tough, it's useful, and it smells incredible. And finally, the undisputed easiest herb to grow year-round, even without soil, without sunlight, and without any gardening experience, is green onions. Also known as scallions, these fast-growing, endlessly useful little alliums are the ultimate zero-stress herb. Why? Because they literally regrow themselves in a jar of water on your kitchen counter. No soil, no fancy setup, just cut, place, and watch them rise. Snip the green tops for garnishes, stir-fries, omelets, or soups, and leave the white roots intact. Place those root ends in a cup of clean water, and within days, new green shoots will emerge like magic. Swap out the water every few days and they'll keep growing back again and again. Want a more sustainable source? Once established, you can also plant them in a pot with soil where they'll continue regenerating even faster. What makes green onions so powerful isn't just how easy they are, it's how versatile and productive they can be. You'll always have a fresh garnish or flavor booster within arm's reach, even in the dead of winter. No other herb is as quick, forgiving, or satisfying. It's the ultimate entry point into herb gardening, and it earns its crown at number 1. And there you have it, the top 10 easiest herbs to grow year-round, even if you've never planted a thing in your life. Whether you're looking for bold flavor, soothing teas, natural remedies, or just a little green magic in your kitchen, these herbs will keep you stocked with freshness all year long. Which one are you most excited to grow? Or maybe you're already growing some of these. Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, you'll love our other videos on companion planting, kitchen herb hacks, and building your own indoor jungle, so be sure to check those out next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want more no-fuss plant wisdom coming your way. Thanks for watching. Now go grow something delicious.